Ever wondered how to elevate your cooking skills to the next level? Today, we're journeying into a culinary adventure featuring beef short ribs with fragrant vegetables, walnuts, smooth ale, and jacket potatoes. This isn't just food, it's an experience. Picture this: 6 beef short ribs, bone-in, 2 heads of celery, 6 carrots, 50 grams of shelled unsalted walnut halves, half a jar of onion marmalade, 500 milliliters of smooth ale, and 6 baking potatoes. Oh, and don't forget the creamed horseradish for that extra kick. To start, preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius. Then brown your ribs in a large casserole pan over medium-high heat. This locks in the succulent flavors and gives them that beautiful sear. While the ribs are browning, trim your celery and peel your carrots. Keep the carrots whole for a rustic touch. Once the ribs are browned, set them aside and combine the celery, carrots, walnuts, and onion marmalade in the same pan. This medley is the heart of the dish's flavor. Next, add 600 milliliters of water and the smooth ale. Return the ribs to the pan and ensure they're submerged. Cover with damp, grease-proof paper and let it roast for 4 hours. Halfway through, baste the ribs to build those deep, rich flavors. With an hour and a half to go, it's time for the potatoes. Scrub them, prick them with a fork, and bake them alongside the ribs. Once everything's ready, skim any fat off the ribs, remove the bones, and serve with a dollop of horseradish, a sprinkle of celery leaves, and those fluffy jacket potatoes. So there you have it, beef short ribs with fragrant vegetables, walnuts, smooth ale, and jacket potatoes. It's not just a dish, but an experience to savor. Until next time, keep your kitchen filled with love and passion. After all, the secret ingredient to any dish is always love.